Hello everyone, my name is Amandine, co-founder and CEO at DNTech. As of today, dealing with food contamination is not optimal because it's too long, too wasteful, because 20% of food waste is happening on production lines every year in France. How to reduce this waste of time and money? DNTech provides an innovative solution based on molecular biology and biochemistry. First, we shorten the analysis from days to hours. Second, our technology is portative and really easy to use by one person. The test is very simple. It takes place directly on production lines. You take a sample of the fruit product and load it into our machine and then press run. After 1 hour, you will obtain the result on screen by colorimetric reaction. The ISO-certified analyzer detects Salmonella and Listeria. At Genopole, we have already validated the molecular biology aspects and are ready to automate our technology. Thanks to these results, we won the Forum Labo Startup Challenge and the Boston Women's Entrepreneur Program. After securing the first non-dilutive financing, we are ready to collaborate with food industrials to test our analyzer in real-life conditions. Choose DNTech technology to produce food cost-effectively and safely, and join us in making a more sustainable industry.